Good morning everyone. I am heading out today. We're going to South Queensferry. I'm going to go up and see my brother. I don't know what it is, I always get helmet hair every time I put the helmet on, right? See, at the end of the day, it'll be an absolute riot. Anyway, feeling good. Weather's not great, it's been raining this morning, so I've got my waterproofs in my bag. I am looking forward to heading up to South Queensferry though. It is a beautiful little town. So first of all, I need to go to Halfords though. I will tell you on the way why. So yesterday was a beautiful day. I had the bike washed. She was in absolute state. I'll put up a before and after video. Last night I thought, oh, I'll do a wee once over some checks and stuff that I don't normally do. For example, the oil, the coolant and things like that. And yeah, I looked at my oil and I was like, where's the oil? There's literally nothing in it. It was like half the line between 0 and minimum. In fact, it was less than half. I was like, oh my god. So I've come to Halfords. Well, I'm on my way to fill the oil up. The coolant is below minimum as well, which I'm quite surprised at. I mean, I've only done 2,918 miles, so for me it's like, maybe when I had my 600 mile service, try and just put them at minimum, I guess. I can't imagine, I've never had that before really, in such a short space of time. So unless I'm completely clueless, a bit naive, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm definitely getting that filled up before I go to South Queensferry. I don't want to have to well, I don't want to break down halfway and be like, what the hell is going on here? So I thought I'd be on the safe side. Oil is filled up to above minimum level. I feel better about that now because the thought of going up the road, because I did order some last night as soon as I noticed, but then I was thinking, will it even survive the trip going up here? It was that low, so I feel better now that it's actually been filled up, and make my way now. Oh, another thing, as I had stopped there at Halfords, there was a guy that stopped up, like parked up beside me, and as he was inside he was talking about motorbikes and all that, and he has a Triumph Tiger, but he had mentioned to me that the group that he's part of is like the Triumph, I don't know, MCC or something like that, in Newcastle there's quite a large Triumph community here, so it's something I might actually look into, because it's a nice thing, isn't it, being part of a group and going out with others rather than on yourself all the time. So I'm going to look into that, I think. Okay, I'm having to put my waterproofs on now, like, I've only lasted 5 minutes. Trains! Waterproofs are on. I have stopped because that was quite scary. This waterproof jacket I'm wearing has a hood on it, right? And when I was going along, I started choking because I had it zipped right up. The wind was pulling it because it's got a hood. It was like it was trying to take me off or something like that. So I had to pull it down because I was like, ugh. So I'm going to have to try and find a way that I can, I guess, tuck this hood in, because I don't want that happening again. That was scary. Scary Mary. So this is getting tucked in, this is getting tucked in. Let's see if that helps. Oh, that should do the trick. on. I've stopped here for changing my gloves over. Now my GoPro has stopped working. I've got a funny feeling that this rain has destroyed it, but I'm hoping that it'll dry out and start working again. Yeah. The weather's not great. I haven't seen it like this in a while. Oh well. It is what it is. Right. Alright guys, I've just got some fuel and my clock says 3,000 miles, so yay! Celebrations! Finally decided to dry out and work. I was a little bit worried because there was genuinely a puddle inside of the mod. So this is the first bit. It's actually been bone dry. It's been torrential rain, amber warnings the entire way here, and my feet are absolutely drenched. I can't even feel my toes, they're that wet and cold. Hi. So I'm just on my way in to South Queensferry. Should be able to see the bridges in a wee bit. It was weird because normally in these trips I'm like talking away to myself because obviously with the camera. Oh, look at that view. And it was weird because the whole time it was raining I was just like, ugh, this is so miserable. So in all honesty, it's probably better that you guys didn't hear my negativity. So I had the heated grips on, I had the winter gloves on, had rain mode on. I was fully kitted out. So I'm just glad the rain's finally stopped, but no doubt it will be pretty bad heading back again. So I'm just on my way to Bikers Cove, it's called. Oh, look at this. And if you haven't been here, you need to come. South Queensferry is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, here we are. Oh, my butt's wet. Poor bonnet. See you later. Yeah. I will be. Yeah. See ya. That was really nice. That was a lovely day, that was. I met up with my brother. I had a good catch up, and had a nice wee walk, had some good food, and I was just at the Bikers Cove there, spent a bit of time getting to know some folk there as well. I can't believe I've never been there before, because it's like an iconic little place in Scotland. So yeah, I'll definitely be back. That was so good. Edinburgh City Bypass, which is well known for being extremely busy. It's not too bad at the moment, but I am trying to get back so that I don't hit rush hour traffic. We shall see what happens. And it's nice and sunny, so it's drying my feet out. My boots are like proper soaking from earlier. Oh yeah, I do like to stand up every now and again. Just stretches the ass cheeks a little bit, doesn't it? When you've been sat for a little while or you're cold, it's nice. Stretchy stretch. Look at those clouds, they're following me. I'm not gonna let them get me. Ain't happening. Alright guys, so it looks like the rain's back on. So I'm going to stop for some fuel and get my waterproofs back on in Jedburgh. The temperature's dropped quite a bit as well actually, so shivering. So I'm going to have to invest in some decent waterproof gear, you know, so please comment any suggestions. Alright guys, looks like the rain's getting heavier. It's quite a cool jewel. I'm putting my waterproofs on. Oh god, so awkward. Okay, so what just happened at the airport there at the petrol station was I feel really bad for this lady because she let me into the garage first, and then I've went to the petrol pump which was out of service. So she's come up behind me, and I've thought, well, it's easier for me to move to the next petrol pump on the other side. So I said to her, you move forward, I'll move back. So as I was moving back, she obviously thought that there wasn't enough room, and then she's reversed back from her, and when she's done that, she's reversed into a brand new Range Rover. Oh no, I heard the scrape. I was like, no. Anyway, I spoke to her and I said, I'm really sorry. I mean, obviously there was enough room between me and her, but she's just not looked in her mirror when she's reversed back, so that was eventful. Hi everyone, I'm back from my lovely little day out. Oh, what a day. Didn't I say at the start that my hair would be an absolute riot? That was great. Very wet. Got to stay at the bike. This was spotless yesterday and it's absolutely minging again. Oh well. Very wet. I think from here down, I can't feel anything. And I'm going to have to look at getting waterproof boots, waterproof bottoms. I mean, this jacket's pretty decent, but for trips like that, when it's like a proper downpour, it's soaking through. But yeah, great little trip up to South Queensferry. Highly recommend going to the Bikers Cove if you ever go up to the east coast of Scotland. Um, Great place. People were brilliant. Had a really nice time getting to know a few different people. Getting to know their little tours they've been, the little trips they've been going across to Europe, having a wee chat about that because that's something I want to do at the start of next year. Had a really nice time actually, had some good food as well. So, on to a nice little shower, get warmed up, and then probably a wee chill session, I think.